Hi friends, I hope you guys are ready to work on some math. This is going to be a short video because most of the things that you are going to be doing are by yourself, but you're going to practice counting with me even though you're watching the video. So we did this live on Zoom, and if you missed it, that's okay. You can do this recorded with me, but you just need to make sure you got your 120 chart and you're counting along. So we're going to start this morning just by counting to 100. We're going to count on our 120 chart, and you're going to count along with me. You can see my chart a little bit in the background, and I'm going to show it to you in just a moment. But you are going to count along with me, and then we are going to start at some random numbers, and we're going to count on from there. And that is going to be all we're going to do together, and then I'm going to show you what you're going to do by yourself. But right now, we are going to practice counting together. So I want you to find your 120 chart, and when you find your 120 chart, you are going to start working with me. So if you need to pause this video to go find your 120 chart, please do. And if you're still listening, that means you have your 120 chart and you are ready to go. So you're going to use your pointer finger just like Miss Strohmeyer, and you are going to count along with me as we go. And we're going to go all the way actually to 100. So we're going to stop at 100. Okay? So let's go ahead and begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, friends. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I hope you are using your finger and counting along, and I hope that you would be able that you are also talking and you are making sure that you're counting with me. This is not just listening to Miss Strohmeyer count. This is you counting out loud too. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Make sure you still have that finger and you're still counting along with me. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Awesome job, friends. You guys just counted all the way to 100. We are going to now start counting from any number. So Miss Strohmeyer, I don't know where my pen is, but I'm going to use my finger. I'm going to grab my pen, and I'm going to tell you what number you're going to start at. And I'm going to show you first how to do it, but then I'm going to give you some numbers, and you're going to practice counting on by yourself. So the first number that we're going to start at is 64. So I circled 64. You do not need to circle 64. You can, if you want to, you can use your dry erase marker since your 120 chart is in your sheet protector. So if you have your dry erase marker, you can circle 64 too. And I'm going to start at 64, and then I'm going to count on from 64, and I'm going to stop at 100. 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82. I hope you're counting with me. 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So you just started at 64 and you counted on. And now I'm going to give you a new number to try. You're going to pause your video and you are going to start at 42. So pause your video, start at 42 and count on all the way to 100. And when you get to 100, press play to get your new number. And if you're listening, it means you just did 42 all the way to 100. Now I want you to start at 29 and go all the way to 100. So pause your video and start at 29 and go all the way to 100. And if you're listening now, that means you just went from 29 all the way to 100, and we are going to start at 78 now and go all the way to 100. So start at 78 and count on all the way to 100 and pause your video. And then when you are finished, press play. And now our last one, if you just finished 78, you are now going to start at 50. So start at 50 and count all the way to 100. So pause your video, start at 50, count all the way to 100. And now I want you to press pause and then press play when you're ready. So if you're still listening to Ms. Strohmeyer, you just spent a lot of time counting on your 120 chart. You started at some random numbers and you went through and you counted on. And now you have two activities that you are going to work on, and I'm going to show you what those activities are. So the first thing that I want you to do, you're going to find your bag with either you have orange or yellow numbers. And this is a puzzle. So what you are going to do is you are going to open up your puzzle. You're going to get all of your pieces out, and you are going to build a 100s chart. So you only have numbers up to 100. You have this chart and you have the one that you just counted on to help you, but you are building a 100s chart puzzle. And then when you are finished with that, you are going to work on mystery numbers party math. And this is 2 pages. You have a 100s chart with lots of fun party pictures that are covering up the number. And you have this page that goes along with it. So you are going to find the picture. So right here, let me show you. This picture right here matches this picture. So you are going to fill in what number would go there. So that number is the number 2. 1 second, I'm getting a marker. The number 2 goes right here on the 120 chart. So 2 is the number that you would put in this box because that's what the picture is covering up. So right now, you are working on, and I'm going to show you up here so you can pause the video so you remember what you need to do. You are first going to build your 100s chart puzzle. You're going to build your 100s chart puzzle, and then you are going to work on party math. When you are finished with that, you may work on Lexia, you may work on you may work on Dreambox, and you also may work on your math packet that I don't have. 1 second. Magic, I'm back. I have it now. I ran to go get it. I stopped my video and I went to go get it. You may work on this or Dreambox when you finish your puzzle and when you finish your party math. So we counted together You practiced on your own, so now you are building a 100s chart, and then you are working on your party math. And I forgot to tell you that there are some tricky ones at the bottom that go all the way to 120, so we'll see if you can get those. If you guys need anything, let me know. I had so much fun on math with you today. You guys did awesome, and I cannot wait to see you for afternoon meeting. So I will see you guys soon. Bye, friends.